Is there some reason I'm not supposed to let kitties near newborn? I have a vague memory of something like that. Ah.
She has the hiccups.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me.
I'm gonna wait until you're getting ready to leave, and I'm gonna go boo and scare the hiccups out of you. There's food. Just chilling out, checking out the world. I have these useless things on the end of my arms. I don't even know what to do with this stuff yet.
Babe, where's the pad?
Get a towel. There's a thing full of swimming towels over there.
Okay. Where's her blanket?
You know how much crap you have to lug around all of a sudden? You can't leave the house in less than 2 trips.
I leave the house just fine with everything I need. It's my stepmother that